welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another clean with me video, but this one is a lot more sweet than the last time, literally. I want to show you guys a candle that I got from Dossier. It smells so good, and every time I clean, I love lighting a candle because it's the icing on the cake to me. Now this is what we're starting from. Obviously you saw the finished product already, so we got a lot to work through, but it obviously gets better. I don't know what was going on in this living room. I can tell you that I did actually record this video a while ago, so it's not like that today. Okay, don't judge me, but if you do, it's fine. It's fine. Life be life, and sometimes, and it is what it is. But we're just getting it together real quick, and we're gonna be great. So I'm sweeping in front of my fireplace because I also like to light my fireplace when it's cold, and it is definitely cold outside. And I also am expecting some company, so you know how that goes. Yeah, there's the fire. It's so nice, warm, cozy. Ooh, nice, romantical. Now I did walk right here and stand and just stare at the fire. Oh, my stomach looks so flat. That is amazing. It's not like that anymore. But anyway, I do also have a perfume from Dossier, and it is actually in the same scent as the candle. It's powdery hawthorn, and it's amazing. It's not overbearing. It is just a really nice fresh scent. And here you see it showcased. It's definitely the fragrance. They sent a sample size, and they sent the candle. So I'm obviously burning the candle, but I obviously also spray the perfume. When I tell you that that perfume is nowhere near full anymore, I use that perfume all the time, and I always get compliments. And the candle is no different. The candle is almost gone as well. Now, what I love about Dossier is that they do include cards letting you know the notes that are in each fragrance, and they also let you know what original scent that their scent is inspired by. In the card, they also include information about refunds. Each time you make a purchase, it does come with a sample size. So once you smell the sample, if you are unhappy with the smell of it, you can definitely send the full size bottle back and get a full refund. And that is why I also love them. They try to work with you. So if you are interested in it, please click the link in the bio, check Dossier out, tell them I sent you. And as always, thank y'all for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Peace out.